Baseball Inferno here. We are at an airport, like right in front of the runway of an airport, so it's pretty loud. That was an American Eagle DC-9 flying right over. Hey, we have the runway over here. I know. So, yeah, it looks like we have another plane preparing to take off. Yep, yeah, there's one way near the runway. I wish I could zoom in. This iPad won't let me. No filming. So we're going to go to this thing bench, this picnic bench right here. Wait for some more planes. Let's just look. Okay, yeah, there's a plane. You can see it in the thing, right? Oh, there it is. Woo! That's an American Eagle. Let's just wait for another. Wasp! Oh, sorry, there's a wasp near me. Oh. Yep. There it is. Another American Eagle. I just skipped the part due to the magic of video editing. Yay. So there's another plane coming down the runway. You should be able to see it. Tiny white dot right around there. Oh, I just took off. Another American Eagle, isn't it? Yep. Oh, there's another plane down at the end of the runway. It's not moving yet. And there's the terminals over there. Okay, just started taxi down the runway. And there you can barely see it. It's a white dot. As soon as you're taking off, there you should be able to see it. It's right in the center of video. And it just took off. Same kind of plane, probably same airline. Yep. There's another plane of a different type rolling down the runway right now. It's gaining speed as I'm speaking, and you can kind of see it right now. Different plane, pretty sure. Yeah. There's a small downer, just took off. Another American Eagle? You're kidding me! Oh, there's one lining up at the end of the runway. I can tell it's another American Eagle. Why are only American Eagle planes taking off? Oh wait, there's a plane going right down the runway right now. You can see it? It's like right about to take off. I want to get out of its way. I'm kind of scared. So there it is. It's about to fly like, I'm gonna run to get it right over us! Delta Airlines! Delta Airlines, people! Right over! Right over! Woo! Okay, we're heading over. I know. Yeah, I want to get to the end of the runway. Okay, so we're heading to the end of the runway. I know this is a pretty long video, but it's pretty nice to go plane spotting. Like right in front of a runway. Oh, here's the plane taxiing down. Yeah, down there you see that boat with the yellow top. That's the DC Duck. It was an World War II marine boat, and there a plane just landed at the end of the runway. One of the larger ones. It's not that short. It's 1.5 miles long. So I wouldn't necessarily call it short.
1.5 miles long?
Yeah. Most runways are that long, so sorry about that if I go screen is down. But yeah, there's a plane going right off of the runway now. And that.
What is it?
Southwest. That's one of the special Southwest planes. It's one of a kind.
Ooh, it's Southwest?
Yeah, that's a Southwest Airlines plane, one of a kind. It should have a name. And there's a plane down at the end of the runway. I'm gonna get this centered, actually. Okay. So there's the lights working. And so here, it's centered, and there's the plane. It just took off, and there you can see it. And there it is, peeps. Going right over. And now I'm looking toward the end of the runway, and there's a plane down at the end of the runway.
What was it? What was it?
That was American Eagle. Again! Again! Okay, there's another plane at the end of the runway. Getting ready to taxi down for takeoff. And you know, this airport has only had, well, this airport has had a plane crash from it, actually, in 1980 something. Florida Airlines. Florida Airlines Flight 90 took off, but it stalled in the winter weather, and because the pilots forgot to de-ice, and so it stalled into the 14th Street Bridge just out of Washington, D.C., near here. Right now we're in Del Rey. We're near Del Rey. We're in Alexandria City. And there it is. It just took off. It just took off. There it is. And it's turning a little. And there it goes. American Eagle again. American Eagle. And there's another plane at the end of the runway. Oh my god, it has to take off fast. There's a plane. It looks like there's a plane coming in to land after it. That plane has to taxi now. Okay. I'm up to the from my view, I'm up to the right of the runway, and from my view, those two planes are about 4 miles apart. There's one at the end of the runway, the very end of the runway, and taxiing. Oh, that's one of the larger ones. Okay. Took off. There it is. Oh wow, there's 2 planes coming after it to land. Oh, that's a large one! Thank you all for watching this plane spotting video. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah. Bye.